Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into managing remote teams with Zoho Project's virtual tools. Our first step is creating a project. Head over to the Projects tab, click on Create, and fill in the necessary details. This crucial step helps us set the project direction and define team roles. Next up, we're establishing task dependencies. This is done by adding tasks under your project and linking them based on their interdependencies. The reason we do this is to ensure tasks are completed in the correct sequence, maintaining workflow efficiency. Now that we've done that, let's move on to setting milestones. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Milestones help us track project progress and keep everyone motivated. Simply select milestones from the drop-down menu and set relevant ones for your project. The fourth step involves utilizing the Gantt chart feature. This visual tool gives you an overview of the project timeline, task dependencies, and milestones. This helps us because it provides a clear snapshot of the project status at any given moment. After this, we're leveraging Zoho's chat and forum features. Engaging these tools ensures seamless communication within the team, keeping everyone updated and on the same page. Now for our final step, monitoring team productivity with reports. Simply click on the Reports tab and customize your report parameters. This is indispensable as it helps us identify potential bottlenecks, enabling proactive problem solving. And that's it. With these steps, you can effectively manage your remote team using Zoho Project's virtual tools. Remember, clear communication and regular progress tracking are key. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.